Today I'm going to show you how you can make any sound you can possibly imagine and sounds you can't even imagine that are just from outer space using Ableton Live's Simpler, which is my favorite and most useful instrument that I own. And it comes with Ableton for free. So let's dive into it. All right, so the first sound we're going to get is a mellow keys sound. You can really use any soft instrument for this. I chose this classical guitar that is like $50 and missing a string, but it doesn't matter because we're going to track just a C note. And we're gonna go our MIDI track and load up Ableton's Simpler. We're gonna throw this in here, make sure it starts right on the note, and we're gonna arm it, some effects on it. If you want, you can loop it. Wait a second, that sounds amazing. I need to use that more. If you don't have any instruments, you can just sing into the mic. Auto shift exists, so don't worry about being a good singer. We're going to put that into Simpler again. Take that delay off. This time we're gonna bring out the electric guitar and just plug straight in, no amp or anything. It sounds stupid, but watch what happens when we put it into Simpler. Just fives and ones. One thing I like to do is alter the glide too, so you can have them just kind of go in and out. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. See ya.